Hello, viewers. How's everyone doing? I'm gonna do a review on the Cuisinart popcorn microwave popcorn popper, and bought it from a local farm fleet for sort of the receipt. Don't know, it was like $7, I think. Yeah, but anyways, before I get into that though, I want to go back to my review on the microwave bacon cooker, and there's something that one of the viewers made a comment, and I do appreciate this. Is that, like I said in my review, that the plastic smell is it's pretty strong, but she made a good point. Is that not all plastic is very good to microwave, and you should look on the back of it because there's a number on the back, and whatever number that has, you can Google it and find out if it's harmful. Which, if it is, then I hope that whoever actually invented this should not put it in the market, because if it's harmful to people, it's not a good idea. Yeah. Anyways, so let's get into the unboxing of the Cuisinart popcorn popper, and we'll get the instructions and all that fun stuff. I think I got one more. You know. No, the packaging does not make it easy to open up. There we go. There we are. Alright. So, yeah, unboxing is not the easiest thing in the world. There's some instructions, and there's some recipes on how to make better tasting popcorn, I guess. There's a thing in there about making their own caramel flavored popcorn, which you can probably give that a try at some point. There's the cover of it, and this. The nice thing about this is it spans. It spans to basically 10 quart. Goes even a little longer there. Well, there you have it. That's the bowl. And then basically let's look at the instructions, and then so how much popcorn you're supposed to let in there. That's nothing. It says for household use only, like you're gonna take it to a bar or something. Um, let's see. It's funny. It says put in the recommended amount of kernels before popping. So far, it hasn't said how much you're supposed to add. Oh, here we go. Um, Basically, put in a fourth cup. Cook 3 minutes, 45 seconds. Should yield you 8 cups. Or all right. Also, I got this from Temu, which basically it's all these expandable measuring cups. That's 1/4 a cup right there. So I'm gonna grab some popcorn here. Put that right into there. Make sure it's all right. Let me put it on pause for a second, and I am gonna microwave it and let you know the end results. All right, see you in a bit. So one thing I'll say though, make sure the cover's on top before you microwave it. I mean that goes without saying, right? But yeah, just basically just all right, all right, all right. Maybe my first batch. Not bad. I think we get a little bit of butter, but if you're waiting, if you're looking to like eat healthy, it's a good, very good alternative. I mean, I do have a hot air popper. I mean, if you don't want to bust over the air popper or any kind of popper you have, and you just want basically simple like bag of popcorn, this is actually a great alternative actually. And also it's silicone, so it's not plastic. So that helps with that. You know, like I said before, you know, if you do end up buying the whatever plastic bacon, microwave bacon you choose to get, make sure you look at those numbers on the back. You know, the plastics has numbers because what she said is right. Not all plastic is good to like heat up in the microwave because it can cause like health issues, and nobody wants that. So, but I mean, you know, if a lot of companies do, I wish they would just actually all go to like silicone. That'd be so much better for everybody. But yeah, this is actually a pretty good alternative. Like if like you know you're tired of like buying the bag popcorns from Walmart and you don't want to take that home with you and the only issue is that it's kind of like flavorless. So you get a little bit of salt in it, not a lot of salt, but you can actually like, add some salt, add some like the popcorn spray. You know, they can actually add to the popcorn. Yeah, but all that, yeah, it's pretty nice. I mean, I think it's actually worth them. Oh, and also, I was telling my coworker at work, I said, you know, actually, this actually like could double as a bowl, not just for popcorn, for anything. Like you can basically want to like. And the nice thing is that it collapses, so you can make very easy storage. So we got that going for you. It's actually a good alternative. But yeah, like, well, leave a comment down below. Like, let me know what you think. Do you want to like go with the air popper? I mean, I have one, and I guess I could try it out, and yeah. But all right, thanks for watching, and I will look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. All right, thanks.